Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cook food and give it to crispy. So every time, like every hour, Chris has like a craving. Right now it's cake. I already cooked the cake, but you're going to basically put in like fruits and vegetables in that to create whatever the craving is. Right now it's cake, there's ice cream, pizza, etc. I will put all of the ingredients in the description box down below. Put it in and then make sure you click the cook button here. I'm just going to get the cake, get it from my inventory here. Super cute. Oh my gosh, let me just take a picture real quick. I mean, you can't even see me because the cake's so big. So I'm just going to go here and I'm going to, oh, where did the cake go? What? Hello? I just got booted off that server. Well, you're going to give the cake to Chris. Hopefully I still have it. Okay, I still have it. I'm just going to go here, talk, and say, try this food I cooked up, and you'll get a prize from Chris. Okay, I have 1 artichoke and 5 watering cats. Oh my gosh, my first like. Thank you. Anyways, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.